Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. So what we have here is the iPhone 4 CDMA from our $65 iPhone lot. And if you remember, in that video I said, it looks like everything's working, it sets up just fine. But when I ran a test to test every individual function, it passed everything except one thing. And that one thing is the front camera. So, looks like I'm actually already on the front camera. But yeah, so if I can flip it to the back camera, it usually freezes up the whole app, but if I can use the back camera, that works fine. It's just the front camera that is completely frozen, not working. I don't know why. I don't know if the camera itself is bad or if it's disconnected or what, but we're going to be taking this phone apart, seeing what's wrong with it, and if we do have to replace it, I do have a replacement camera here. So anyways, let's get right into this video. So I'm not entirely sure whether the front camera was disconnected or not. I don't really remember. So I'm just going to try connecting it up and turning the phone on and just see if it starts working again. So this is by no means reassembled properly, it's just assembled enough for us to be able to test the phone. Okay, moment of truth. The phone is booted, let's see. Okay, so this is the back camera, which always worked. And the front camera works, look at that! So it looks like there was nothing wrong with our camera, it must have just been disconnected or something. This is really cool because there's actually nothing wrong with any of the parts in this phone. I just had to reconnect it and I can use this other front camera I have for another phone. So now that we know that there's no parts that need to be replaced, we can properly reassemble this phone. And we're done! This iPhone repair costed absolutely nothing, we didn't need to replace any parts, all we had to do was reconnect the front camera. Anyways, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Before I go, I just wanted to mention that I have an eBay store where I sell refurbished and used tech, often including the devices you see in my videos. So if you'd like to support the channel and live in the United States, and you need a new phone or just looking for a new gadget or whatever, consider purchasing something from my store. I'll have the link in the description, or you can look up my username, which you can see on the screen. It would help me a lot. Anyways, thanks for watching.